Namaste friends, today we will read out from the Srimad Bhagavad Gita chapter number 18, slok number 28. Here it is said, what are the natures of the tamasa people, that is, people who are in the mode of ignorance. The slok is Ajukta, Prakita, Stabdha, Satho, Nishkrito ko Alasa, Vishadi, Dirghasutri, Chakarta, Tamasa Uchate. The worker who is always engaged in work against the injunctions of the scripture, who is materialistic, obstinate, cheating, and expert in insulting others, and who is lazy, always morose and procrastinating, is said to be workers in the mode of ignorance. In the spiritual injunctions, we find that what sort of work should be performed and what sort of work should not be performed. Those who do not care for those injunctions engaged in work not to be done, and such persons are generally materialistic. They work according to the modes of nature, not according to the injunctions of the scripture. Such workers are not very gentle, and generally they are always cunning and expert in insulting others. They are very lazy. Even though they have some duty, they do not do it properly, and they put it aside to be done later on. Therefore, they were appear to be morse. They procrastinate everything, anything which can be done in an hour, they drag on for years. Such workers are situated in the mode of ignorance. So we can analyze the persons according to their nature and habit and behave with them accordingly so that we can save our time, energy, and manners and attitude towards them. Thank you. Friends, stay tuned. We'll learn more about many advices from this universal scripture and put into our daily life practice. Thank you, friends.